Hi everyone, this is Kenya from Top One Technology, and right now I'm in Kenya, Eldoret, and the village is Cherangani, right? Okay. And you see here is my customer. They are the factory for sewing like a factory for the clothes or something, and we are install the system, the solar system around 66 kilowatt for the factory, and here inside the rooftop we'll install the solar panels over there. Okay, and then where we use, you just follow me. Here is the factory for you can see the sewing machines inside, and the solar panel put on the rooftop there, and all our battery and inverter will install inside of here. And you can see everyone is testing about our inverter and battery here, and also there is our solar panel. And here is a room for all the cabinet, for the combine box, unloader box, and everything here. You can see, and it will work very soon.
You see inside we have our positive bus bar and negative bus bar. We have 250 amps fuses. This is for number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5 and 6. From there we have our combiner box, 24-way, 2 pieces, number 1 and number 2, which carries all side protectors and DC deliverables for all this system.
Now, 1、2、3、4、5、6，现在正常了，电池都是已经开了。好，现在看一下电压，这个是394。好 ，OK， between phases next one。好，那个也是395。好。
Then single phase.
Single phase， 这是单向的，就是228。OK。